Okay, I'm almost embarrassed to show you this. It's such a what a heck of a job. But so I put a plate on here because after I did this, which okay, that's kind of crazy, isn't it? But it works. I even had to grind this off a little bit so it wouldn't hit. Still something seems to be hitting, but not bad. So it made the black one a little crooked, just a little bit, and I didn't like that. So I put a metal plate over top to even it out, and you can see it is a little crooked there, but that's okay. I'm still gonna grab this, but so just for looks, I'll paint this black, just some spray paint quick. I think I got some here. So I Z-zipped this. They were pretty rusty, and then I will start to put this back together. And probably have to put, I'm re-screwing the black thing in. I'll also have to screw this in because I broke the tabs, but so what? We got lots of screws in this truck already, so what's a few more? That's how we held our fender things on better and this other stuff. Okay, so we'll get it back together. Didn't feel like buying a new one, so I did my best to repair this. And I'm gonna have to be gentle because this top cover, to seal it, this goes down and it holds it. So I need to be gentle when I open up my tailgate. I can't just pull it open. But that was my fault, and as long as I'm gentle, this should hold.